Hello everyone, we are Team Couche-Tard and we would like to present to you our beloved project, EYE2EYE Can I See? In a hard-working society like ours, we tend not to be aware of important signs that our body sends us telling us to take a break. There are not many convenient ways to explicitly identify these signs. We need a tool to remind us. This is why we decided to develop an app for all the people at risk for accumulating these signs. People who need to keep track of the early signs of a detrimental health issue are our major target audience. Our story started when we figured out that our eyes were the first sign of our condition. Whenever we couldn't sleep, our eyes became a direct mirror image of our body condition. Then we thought we should look into our health condition through the windows of our souls. There are specific body parts that act as important indicators of health, like the coloration of the sclera in the eyes. The sclera provides the ground necessary for the display of colors that vary in health and disease. Here's a list of correlational studies of serious problems that may result from long-term attenuation of very minor discoloration of the sclera. So in order to raise awareness of the signs we have not considered and to keep track of our eye condition and health, we decided to build an application that can provide a better understanding of your body. With the photo taken on our program, we categorize into 3 states by analyzing the colors of the eyes: healthy condition, tired condition, and emergency condition. White sclera indicates a healthy body state. Eyes with a high level of bloodshot are considered tired. It is determined to be an emergency condition when eyes show a red or yellow sclera or a cloudy sclera. Causes of red sclera include allergies, inflamed eyelids, pink eye, etc. Yellow sclera results from deposition of bilirubin, suggesting dysfunction of organs such as the liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. Clouded vision also has many potential underlying causes. Some of the most common ones are cataracts, Fuchs dystrophy, etc. Most causes of clouded vision get worse over time. All of these red, yellow, and cloudy scleras could be signs of serious health issues. Hence, our users should seriously consider visiting a doctor if the results shows an emergency state after a rough assessment of the eyes with our program. As for eyeball detection and sclera detection, we use the YOLO V4 convolutional neural network model to first detect the sclera from the image by selecting white regions in the image. From this region, we perform the pixel analysis on RGB values for red and yellow areas of the sclera to determine the levels of red in 2 intensities, bloodshot and redness, and yellow. Similarly to sclera detection, pupil cloudiness levels were assessed by selecting dark regions in the image and analyzing the proportion of it which was lighter in color. This did not require analysis in RGB, but in grayscale. Let us now show you a demo of our project. First, let us start with the splash page with a wink to you indicating our secured image screening program. Now, on the main page of our application, there are 3 buttons available. The first button indicates the primary function of the project, the examiner. Once we enter this function, the first thing we will see is the camera, which will allow the user to take a picture of their eye according to the template. If there is a photo of an eye already available in the album, it could be drawn to the application to go through our processing. After the processing page, the results are displayed based on the picture the user used. The results page will show the redness level, yellowness level, cloudiness level, and bloodshot intensity of the eye. With the data obtained, the app will make a suggestion to the user, advising the person to either go see a doctor or take a long-needed nap. Back to the main page, when we select the second option, the entire record of your history using this app appears and allows you to reflect on your eye health over time. Lastly, the bottom option on the main page will have an explanation page of what 3 main eye conditions EYE2EYE focuses on: normal eye, damaged eye, and sleep-deprived eye. With a detailed description of determining characteristics of each condition, our current app would terminate. We think that the next steps for Can I See is to provide a more accurate assessment in various conditions of lighting. There is also the possibility of implementing other detection modes, like a dynamic detection of pupil dilation, allowing us to check vital signs of preventing medical emergencies. In a near future, we hope to work towards a valid diagnosis tool to facilitate remote examination. That's the end of our presentation. Thank you so much for listening, and I will see you again.